Hey everybody, I'm Patty Cordova with livingwithaloca.com, and it is the weekend, which for me means cocktails. And I am super excited because this is actually a challenge. I was challenged by Knott's Farm to come up with an amazing, something delicious, something good that you can eat with items that you purchased at the park. So I am ready to show you guys what I came up with. And I have my apron because this is official. So I came up with a cocktail because I love cocktails, and this one is really easy. And if you have a mixologist at home that likes to try out new things, well, this is definitely something you can do. It's a cocktail, and this is what it'll look like. And it has the most random ingredients that you may not know, thought about making a cocktail with, and that is boysenberry preserves, which, yeah, like this is going in a cocktail. So it's only 3 ingredients: boysenberry preserves, vodka, and lemons. So I'm going to show you how to make it really quick, and it is really easy to do. You can just, a couple minutes. So we have about a cup of ice in the shaker here. We cut up, we need the juice of half a lemon. So we just slice this up, half a lemon, and we use this neat little thing because this is how I put all the lemon. I use this thing so much, it's ridiculous. So juice of half a lemon. Ta-da! Okay, we're gonna put this right here. 2 ounces of vodka. I mean, you could use less, but why? So 2 ounces. Fill that up. 2 ounces. And then the preserves. So we have boysenberry preserves that we purchased at Knott's Farm during the Boysenberry Festival. And then we have these super cute little measuring spoons that we actually purchased there as well. They have like the little Knott's thing on there. They have little boysenberries on there. They're so cute. So we're gonna use 2 tablespoons. So, and you just drop it. I mean, it doesn't have to be exact, but you just pop that in there. 1, and then 2. So I'm just gonna put that there and put this here. So we have 2 tablespoons, and that's it. So it's literally a 3 ingredient cocktail that is super easy to make. You put everything in the shaker, and then you just shake everything up until it dissolves fully. So I really like this cocktail because it's really easy to make. You can, I mean, like if you're gonna go to Knott's Farm, you're going to get preserves, so you might as well make something else with it. So you can tell, like, all the colors are kind of blending into each other. It's becoming like this really gorgeous purple, which is, the Knott's color, and I'm really excited to taste this because it is the weekend, and that is what weekends are for. Okay, so we have everything mixed in there. And I think it tends to be a little messy, so just be careful. Okay, so we have that. And I know that some people like to strain their cocktails. I like to just put the ice in it, just because I feel like it gives you more in the end. So we're gonna drop all that in there. And there you go. It is so good. So we did boysenberry preserves, lemon, and vodka, and it is so good. It's like one of those drinks that just tastes refreshing. You can't really taste the alcohol. It is just delicious. So there we go. Boysenberry preserve cocktail. You can get it with all the things that you purchased at Knott's Farm. You can just get this big old thing. You can also try lime and tequila. I bet you that would taste pretty good too. Yeah, just kind of play around with it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'm Patty with livingwithaloca.com, where you can find this recipe. And I have so many other recipes and anything Knott's Farm related. Literally just search up Knott on livingwithaloca.com, and you will find so many articles that you will find pretty handy. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.